God is good, evil, and sovereign. Episode 2, Preservation and Corruption. Have you ever noticed that nothing in reality remains untouched? Steel rusts, bodies age, memories fade, buildings crack, relationships drift. Even the strongest things eventually begin to break down. Why? If preservation is part of reality, corruption appears to be part of reality also. And the question's not whether corruption exists. The question is why corruption appears woven into the structure of existence itself. Human beings instinctively fight corruption. We repair homes, treat disease, maintain relationships, protect institutions, preserve life. Yet despite our efforts, corruption never fully disappears. It waits, it advances, it returns. The universe appears to operate through two simultaneous movements. One movement preserves, the other dissolves. One builds, the other dismantles. One generates order, the other slowly returns order to disorder. And this tension exists everywhere, not occasionally, everywhere. The traditional explanation is that corruption is merely the absence of good. Yet corruption appears active. Disease spreads, metal decays, civilizations collapse, forests consume themselves through fire and regenerate again. Corruption behaves less like an illusion and more like a force embedded within reality's ongoing operation. If reality proceeds from a sovereign source, why would corruption occupy such a permanent position within existence? Why was reality not constructed upon preservation alone? Perhaps corruption deserves a function that humanity does not fully understand. Perhaps preservation and corruption operate together within a larger framework, governed by wisdom beyond human preference. The deeper question is unsettling. If preservation reveals something about the nature of reality's source, what does corruption reveal? Viewers, listeners, the greatest mystery may not be why preservation exists. The greater mystery may be why corruption appears woven into reality with equal persistence, as though both participate in a framework larger than human understanding.